In today's video, I will introduce a new website where you can earn money online by completing tasks, so stay with me until the end of the video. First, enter the earnlab.com. There is a registration link in the description. Online, money is easy by doing simple tasks and surveys. There are various ways to earn money on the website, which you can do. For example, you can play games and you can download apps, etc. Just create a free account and complete the second step. One task, follow the instructions, and then the third step, withdraw your money. So you want to create your account first, just click on sign up here and then select sign ups and make sure you use my link in the description so you can get 250 free coins just for sign up. Just type in a username and email and your password here or sign up with one of these other options. Once you've done that and logged in, this is what your homepage will look like. Before continuing with the video, be sure to subscribe us and press the bell button to stay informed about our tutorials. And the way you can do it both on your computer and your smartphone is to earn coins for every task you do or game you play, which then turns into real money. That every 1,000 coins is equal to $1, and the great part is that they have different payment method to withdraw your earning. Just click here, and as you can see, you can withdraw from cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, as well as PayPal, gift cards, as well as all kinds of gift cards. If we click here, you can see which countries are supported. So let's talk now about how you can start earning, but make sure to like the video and comment which country you are watching the video in now. Which, like I said, there are different ways to earn money. The first way is you want to go here where it says earn and then scroll down. As you can see here, you can see different offers. It says each wall conscious hundreds of offers for completing and making money is what we are using. For example, trucks, AdSense, media, and etc. Whilst goes on, but my favorite here are trucks and add-on media are available for all country, and they also have lucrative offers. So let's take a look at trucks file. Just click on it and it will take you to this page. There are a lot of discount offers, as you can see. For example, you can earn different coins from here. Just click on the exciting game and you will be shown a QR codes that you can scan to play the game, and you can also send the link to an email. And you can see here there are other games that you can download on Android, and just click on it, collect coins, and then you can scan the QR codes to get that game and earn money. Now let's also look at the second offers wall, which is AdSense Media. They have very good offers, and also you can see here you can earn, for example, 33,000 coins, which is almost only $33 for sign up for a website and an easy surveys, which you can complete and get huge amount of money here. Also, there are different offers which you can complete and earn. All you have to do is just click on each one. It will tell you exactly what you need to do get the coin of these offers. The second place you can make money is by going to task here. You will find many jobs here that pay very well too. and most of them are games where you can win big money. Just click on them and it will show you exactly what you need to do in full detail. If you click on start task, it will show you QR code to download, gives it on your Android device. Also, you can click here to select the device you are using. For example, if we choose the desktop, now it shows me all the things we can do directly from our computer, but better use your smartphone, limit much higher. Make sure you also choose the highest rewards to the high paying task and games show you. We also have this option here, it says category, and here you can choose if you want to show games or apps or crypto tasks, etc. Very simple and beginner friendly. They also update every 24 hours. If we go to the leaderboard, they also run a monthly leaderboard for less than $500, which is another great way to make money on the website. This feature is really good, and we have rewards here which are in 4 levels: diamond, silver and gold and obsidian. Each rank to reach silver will get promotional bonus. For example, you need to earn a total of 100,000 coins and then you'll get $5 bonus. You don't have to do anything, you automatically rank in one of these. If you reach a certain number of coins here, for example, if you reach 500,000 coins, you will rank for gold and get weekly and monthly bonuses, and likewise for diamonds and obsidian you will always get something extra. Anywhere the minimum payouts here is only 2,500 coins, which is about $2.50, which is very. And as I says here, withdrawals are usually processed within 5 and 10 minutes and PayPal usually takes 24 hours. Just make sure you don't use VPN or proxy, which is not allowed by this platform. Your account may be forever shut down and lose all your earnings. Another way you can use it to earn money here is my favorite. I use the affiliate program. You click on it because you can see you can earn 5% of your referral income. But the good things if you use sign up from your affiliate link, you will get 250 free coins as bonuses. Sure, you also sign up using my link and get 250 free coins.